Picsart Gradient Text PC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser and letting it load so everything works smoothly. After it loads completely, go to the search bar in the middle of the screen. Left-click the search bar in the middle, then type Picsart inside the search bar. After that, press enter to search so the results come up. Then select the first web that appears on the page. Inside Picsart, log in or sign in so you can use all the features. After you log in, press Start New Design to start a new project. Next, select Create from Blank Canvas to create a canvas where you will add the text. A new blank canvas will appear, giving you a clean space to work on. Then go to the bar on the left where all the editing tools are. Click the text section on the top of that bar to open the text options. Now press Add Text to add text to your canvas. Input your text inside the text box by typing whatever you want to write. Then select the fonts you want to use from the list until you find the one that fits your design. After choosing your font, go to Color on top of the bar and left-click it. This will open the color menu. Then go to the gradient option on the right side of the color menu. Now choose which color you want to use for your gradient. For example, you can pick light purple and black like in the example. You can also choose which gradient style you want depending on how you want the colors to blend together. Once you pick the colors and style, the gradient will apply to your text. The process stays simple as long as you follow each step in order, starting from opening your browser, searching for Picsart, logging in, creating a blank canvas, adding your text, picking your font, and finally setting your gradient colors. By the end, your text will have a smooth gradient look with the colors and style you selected.